Check monitoring point by total station. First check level. Level 1, 3. Okay, almost okay. Press okay. After set check, which folder our coordinate have? This folder coordinate have, right? Come, set up. This one, many have the formula. Many type of work you have. You always follow the reception. Press reception. Okay, now you see point ID. Any one point ID you put here. Instrument height. So no point. Reception method, instrument height, no need to put. Just press OK. Press OK. After that, which control point is going to get reading? This control point name put. This one is A11, right? A11. Select. Now A11 coming. On light. Aim this point, distance. This target height always 0 because this target is fixed. So target height, no need put height. Always put 0. Now second point we select ready. Second point aim, directly measure. Paper with them no need keep distance. Directly keep measure. Now machine automatically done. Come here. After check the calculate. Check quality. You see, northern quality 1 mm, eastern quality 1 mm, height quality 1.4 means 1 mm different coming height. Then orientation quality is 0, 001. Less than 3, this angle less than 3 mm, okay. Now machine already set up. Only to create a job. New, press here, new job. So what date? 21, 0323. You put it here. Okay. Job set ready. Directly go measure. Job select, directly coming measure. After writing this point name is S SE1. Select. Okay. Now point select ready. Just directly keep measure. See automatically change number 2 coming. Now aim number 2. Aim number 2 directly measure. Automatically coming number 3. So you how many point one place can see? All point one time can do. Until 10, 100, 20 point also can do. So our have 2 point only. 2 point we already do. Now go back. Just go this job. See view and edit data. How many point we do? 2 point we do. This one is the machine ID. Another 2 point we do ready. 2 point already coming here. 2 point coming ready. That means all on okay. Go back. After how to download? This I already USB have. Go same job. Export data means machine to go out. Come ASC2. Press OK. You see date coming. What you download? Data download or whatever you download, all you have. So we download data. Select data. already download. Check one more time. SC2. That means what? This file already inside use we have. So second time cannot download. So close. That means download okay ready. Understand? কি কইছি বুঝান?